Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to implement a backup.
Let's get started. First, I'm opening Command Prompt as administrator. This gives me full control over the system. Next, I'm going to do the disk part utility. These tools let me manage hard drives, volumes, and partitions. Now, I will list all the available disks to find the extra one we'll use for backup using the command list disk. This 0 is usually the main system drive, and this one is our empty one. So I will select this one. I will clean this disk to erase anything on it. Okay, now I will create a new primary partition using the command create partition primary. Now I'm formatting the partition with a new technology file system. Format FS, new technology file system. I will label it backup 1, backup 01, and I will use the quick flag to speed up the process. I'm assigning the letter F to the backup volume so we can access this like a regular folder. Now that's it. Let's exit this. Now I'm copying a file called OUI text. This is the file I want to back up into different locations and renaming it each time. So these copies will act as our test files for backup. So copy and then the location of the file that I want to back up. And the location we want to save that copy to. 1.txt. That's it. And then I'll create 3 copies in this folder. Last one is that I'm gonna copy it to a different folder. Now we have 3 test files in the documents folder and 1 in the public folder. These are ready to be backed up. So next, I will show you how to perform a one-time backup using Windows Server Backup. The goal is to back up the contents of the user's folder from drive C to our target backup drive, which in this case is labeled backup 01 and has the letter F assigned to it. First, I will click the Start menu and type backup. From the search results, as you can see, I'll select the Windows Server Backup. Alright, let's fire up Windows Server Backup right here. And on the left-hand pane, I'll click on Local Backup to access our backup options. And on the right pane, I will click Backup Once. This opens up the Backup Once wizard, which allows us to configure a one-time backup. On the first page of the wizard, under Backup Options, I'll make sure different options is selected. Next, choose Custom. Click Next. Add items. We'll expand the local disk C by clicking the plus sign. From the list, I'll select the checkbox next to Users. Click OK. And once I'm back at the Select Items for Backup, click Next. I will choose Local Drive. Next. Make sure Backup 01 drive letter is F is selected and click Next. Alright, we'll now add the confirmation page. Everything looks good so far, so I'll go ahead and click Backup. This might take a minute or two, depending on the size of the data. And that's it. The backup is finished. Now close it. So why I know that a one-time backup like this can be really helpful, but it is not the most practical for real environments. In real-world jobs, we rely more on scheduled backups, daily or weekly, so the system stay protected automatically. You can do this by using the backup schedule option, which lets you set time and frequency. Okay, now I will simulate file loss by deleting one of the files we created earlier. I'll open File Explorer from the Start menu, and I will double click on the Documents folder. We will delete document 01 text, right click it, and then delete. Then minimize the File Explorer, and I will go to Desktop, go to Recycle Bin. As you can see right here, is all the files we deleted it. And I will right click it, go to Empty Recycle Bin, click Yes. That permanently removes the file from the system. It is gone unless we recover it. I'll open it again. As you can see, there's no document 01 existed. So now let's bring back that deleted file. I will return to the Windows Server backup window, maximizers, click Recover. Make sure you choose this server or this PC. Click Next. Click Next. File server, click Next. Alright, I will expand this user, usually this one. And next, I'll put it into the original location. Click Next. On the confirmation page, I'll click Recover. Alright, once the restart is complete, we'll click Close. And now we check that our file was really restored. Open File Explorer again, and as you see, it's back. Document 01 is back. Okay, everything looks good. Alright, now backup was created. File was deleted earlier, and that file was successfully recovered, and that completes the whole process.